Binance Chain Wallet Crypto Wallet Review. Watch before using. In this video, we'll take a close look at the Binance Chain Wallet, a cryptocurrency wallet developed by Binance, one of the largest and most trusted crypto exchanges in the world. The Binance Chain Wallet is specifically designed for users who are heavily involved in the Binance ecosystem, allowing seamless interaction with Binance Smart Chain, BSC, Binance Chain, and Ethereum networks. This wallet is ideal for anyone who regularly trades on Binance or interacts with decentralized applications, dApps, on BSC. The Binance Chain Wallet is a non-custodial wallet, meaning you retain full control of your private keys, which is crucial for those prioritizing security and privacy. It supports the storage, sending, and receiving of various tokens, including BNB, BET20, and ERC20 tokens. The wallet's interface is clean and user-friendly, making it accessible even for beginners, while still providing advanced features for more experienced users. One of the standout features of the Binance Chain Wallet is its integration with Binance's exchange platform, allowing users to connect directly to their exchange accounts, facilitating smooth transfers between the exchange and the wallet. This integration also supports cross-chain transfers, which is particularly useful for users involved in DeFi or who need to move assets across different blockchains quickly. Security is a top priority with the Binance Chain Wallet. It includes essential features like seed phrase backup and encrypted private key storage. However, as with any non-custodial wallet, the responsibility of securing your funds lies entirely with you, so proper backup and security measures are vital. The wallet also comes with a browser extension, making it easy to interact with dApps and DeFi platforms directly from your browser. The extension is available for both Chrome and Firefox, ensuring broad accessibility. In summary, the Binance Chain Wallet is a robust and versatile option for anyone in the Binance ecosystem, offering a combination of ease of use, security, and powerful features tailored for both new and experienced crypto users. Whether you're a frequent trader, DeFi enthusiast, or just looking for a reliable wallet to manage your crypto assets, the Binance Chain Wallet is worth considering.